Welcome back to TYK. Today, we've got a word chain quiz that features 20 science questions. The last letter of each answer becomes the first letter of the next. Let's get started. Which invention allowed scientists to observe individual cells for the first time? The answer is the microscope. Robert Hooke coined the term cell in 1665 after examining a thin slice of cork through an early microscope. Question 2. Which scientific theory, driven by natural selection, explains how species gradually change? Evolution. Every living species is still evolving, although the changes usually happen too slowly to notice within a single lifetime. Starting with N. Which subatomic particle allows atoms of the same element to have different masses? The answer is neutron. Variants of the same atom that have a different mass are called isotopes. Question 4. What astronomical event occurs when a white dwarf suddenly becomes dramatically brighter? It's called a nova. Unlike a supernova, a nova leaves the original star intact and can even happen more than once. This one starts with A. Which natural phenomenon is produced when charged particles from the sun interact with Earth's magnetic field? The answer is aurora. Auroras usually occur around the poles, but powerful enough solar storms can make them visible from thousands of kilometers farther than usual. Let's keep going. What type of rocky body is believed to contain material dating back to the formation of our solar system? The correct answer is an asteroid. Many asteroids are over 4 billion years old, making them some of the oldest objects in the solar system. Question 7. Which molecule stores the biological instructions needed to build and maintain nearly every living organism? The answer is DNA. The DNA inside a single human body would stretch billions of kilometers if laid end to end. Next up, what is the smallest unit of an element that still retains its chemical properties? The answer is the atom. More than 99.9% of an atom's volume is empty space. Starting with M. What is the name for a piece of space debris after it becomes visible while burning through Earth's atmosphere? It's a meteor. Earth is struck by an estimated 100 tons of dust and tiny meteoroids from space every single day. Question 10. Which natural process occurs when unstable atomic nuclei spontaneously release energy and particles? It's radioactivity. The heat deep inside Earth is produced in part by the natural radioactive decay of elements within the planet. Which single-celled fungus has been used by humans for thousands of years to make bread rise and produce alcoholic drinks? The answer is yeast. The same organism used to bake bread has also helped humans brew beer and make wine for thousands of years. What natural hazard is usually triggered by the sudden displacement of enormous volumes of seawater? It's a tsunami. In the open ocean, a tsunami can travel as fast as a commercial jet while remaining only a few centimeters high. Question 13. starting with I. What term describes a prolonged period of global cooling during which glaciers expand? The answer is Ice Age. In fact, the Earth is currently in an ice age, but in a relatively warm interglacial period. Question 14. Which type of biological molecule acts as a catalyst by speeding up chemical reactions without being consumed? It's an enzyme. Some enzymes accelerate chemical reactions by billions of times, making life as we know it possible. What scientific term describes the permanent disappearance of an entire species from Earth? The answer is extinction. More than 99% of all species that have ever lived are now extinct. 5 questions to go. Which structures allow a reflex to occur before your brain can process what occurred? Nerves. Some reflexes are processed by the spinal cord before signals ever reach the brain, allowing your body to react almost instantly. What term describes the range of wavelengths produced when light is separated into its component colors? The answer is a spectrum. The visible colors of a rainbow represent only a tiny fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum. Starting with M. Which biological process provides the raw genetic variation that makes evolution possible? Mutation. Every person is born with dozens of new genetic mutations that neither parent possesses. Question 19. Which element must be converted into ammonia or nitrates before most plants can make use of it? The answer is nitrogen. In fact, when lightning strikes, it naturally converts atmospheric nitrogen into compounds that plants can absorb. Final question. What enormous cloud of gas and dust serves as both the birthplace and the remains of stars? It's a nebula. The atoms in your body were forged inside ancient stars that formed within nebulae billions of years ago. That's the end of today's Science Word Chain quiz. Let us know your score in the comments and consider checking out some of our other quizzes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.